Ayan, so ito nga no, US operation in Venezuela reinforces bullish outlook on gold. So yan, na-signal natin yan over the weekend. So by Monday, ayan, so pag-open 7 a.m., 7:05, nag-signal na tayo. And nag-gap up nga ng mga malaki yung gap up niya. So parang mga 30-40 dollars, no. And yun, within few hours nag-signal tayo, no. So TP hit agad tayo. And yun yung maganda sa community, no. Merong mga exchange of ideas and information. So kung meron nakapansin, ayan, pwede natin post and nakakatulong tayo, no. So ayun, but mostly I post yung mga signals natin, yung saan tayo entry, saan tayo exit, saan tayo target. So those are the things na ginagawa natin sa community. And yun, we also provide free webinars and all. So and I just want to share, fundamentals really move the market. It's not just the technicals. The technicals is where we look for the entry, and yun yan, mga SL natin, yung mga target natin, that's where we look sa technicals natin, sa charts natin. But when it comes to following the market, following the news, yan, fundamentals talaga nagmo-move sa market. So geopolitical tensions, like what I said, yun yung nagfo-fuel talaga ng safe haven demand for gold. So very news driven itong asset na to. And ayun, may mga pumutok lang na balita, like let's say Ukraine and Russia magkaroon ng peace agreement. So ayan, for sure yan, babagsak si gold niyan. Pero if Putin gave some remarks or comments na ayaw niya, so tuloy sila. And ayan, it will just really fuel the safe haven demand. So if you will look at the chart ni gold, no, talagang to the moon, pataas lang eh. Pag ganun lang siya eh, wala siyang masyadong ano. On the lower time frame, yes, it can go sideways for just a few weeks, few days, but if you are going to look at the daily time frame or weekly time frame, it's really just going up. So even in the spot market sa physical gold, if you are going to look, if you're going to buy, it's just from the pandemic, nag times 3 na, no, times 3 na from the pandemic days. So that was just 5 years ago. So ganun siya kabilis, and nag-stagnant pa yan for a few years, no. Pero yung pag-akyat niya sobrang bilis, and it just tripled yung value ni gold. So that's how it works. So that's it. Always look for the fundamentals, yung mga economic calendars, very important if you're trading gold. Look for yun nga, USD actual data, mga high impact news ng USD. So it's inversely correlated. If up si gold, yan, possibly na something happened with US economy. So and vice versa. So yun, this is a geopolitical tension. So it could go on, and possible na may mga bigger countries na mag-participate, but we hope not, na walang hindi na siya magtuloy, no. We are very bullish with gold, pero syempre ayaw naman natin na magkaroon ng mga ganyang pangyayari. So nakikibalita lang tayo. So again, I wanna invite you sa ating Telegram community. So I hope to see you there.